Good morning, my name is Joseph Edwards, a vehicle technician at Dover Ford Perry's. I'm going to be carrying out a vehicle health check on your Fiesta today. So if we come to the passenger side front tyre and take a measurement of 2.68mm across the entirety of the tread. The legal limit for tyres being 1.6, so we would advise that on being worn close to legal limit. Unfortunately here, the tyre has been cut to cord, so we would advise getting that tyre replaced. And there is also cracking between the tread there, as you can see. Driver's side front tyre measured at 3.03mm across the entirety of the tread, and again we are seeing some cracking between the tread there, so we would advise that one. Driver's side front suspension area, front coil spring all okay, there's no corrosion or breaks, there's no play in any of the ball joints, and all the boots are in good condition. And the front brake pads have been measured at 4mm, legal limit for brake pads being 1.5. The front discs are slightly lipped there, as you can see. Onto the engine and gearbox, both of which are all okay, there's no leaks from either of the unit. There's the gearbox there, and engine. All the belts are in good condition. So let's move to the rear of the vehicle. We'll see the exhaust system and brake lines, both of which haven't got any corrosion, cracks or leaks. And all the hangers are in good condition. Onto the driver's side rear tyre, measured at 5.93mm across the entirety of the tread. Again, we are seeing some cracking between the tread there, as you can see, on the inside and the outer side of the tread. And the passenger side rear tyre, measured at 5.8mm across the entirety of the tread. And once again, cracking between the tread there, as you can see, and on the outside of the tyre also. Passenger side rear suspension area, all okay, no leaks from the shock absorber, no corrosion or breaks on the spring, and there are no visible leaks from the rear brake drum on the passenger side. Same for the driver's side rear, that's all okay, absolutely nothing to be concerned about, and no obvious leaks from the driver's side rear brake drum either. Thank you for choosing Dover Ford Perry's. I'd appreciate it if you rated my video, and my service advisor will be in contact with you shortly. Thank you.